How do I protect equipment while transporting a pop-up drink stand? The best way to protect your equipment is to secure every loose item with straps or ratchet tie-downs, wrap fragile parts like blenders and dispensers in moving blankets, and load everything so nothing can slide or tip during the drive. Think of your drink stand like a little kitchen on wheels, and every bump in the road is trying to shake things loose. Heavy items like ice chests and generators should always go on the bottom and toward the center of your vehicle so the weight stays balanced and nothing tips over on turns. Wrap anything with glass or electronic parts in thick blankets or bubble wrap, and use foam corners on countertops and shelving edges since those get scratched or cracked the most. Here's something most people never think about. Temperature swings during transport can cause condensation to build up inside coolers, blenders, and coffee machines, and that trapped moisture can lead to mold or even damage wiring over time. To prevent that, let equipment sit open for a few minutes before you pack it up and place a small moisture-absorbing packet inside sealed containers. Locking wheels and casters on your cart or stand before moving it also keeps it from rolling and crashing into other equipment when you brake or turn. One common mistake is using regular bungee cords instead of ratchet straps, since bungee cords stretch and loosen over time, letting heavy items shift halfway through the trip. A quick fix is to double-check every strap at your first stop and retighten as needed. Another issue is stacking boxes without distributing weight evenly, which can cause your trailer or vehicle to sway on the highway, so always keep heavier items low and centered. Lastly, people often forget to protect exposed cords and hoses, which can get pinched or torn, so coil them neatly and tuck them inside a labeled bag before loading. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.